Hey there, YouTube friends. This is some video footage of the first night we moved into our current house. We were actually only in the house a couple of hours at this point. You can see the bags are still on the floor. We're not even unpacked. But we knew the house would need a major makeover and updating. And this is the kitchen before, and this is the kitchen after. This is how it currently looks. Much brighter, much more modern. And the kitchen was big enough to build a kitchen island, so this is the island I built. It only cost about $360, and it was a fun project to do. And we're always preparing meals at this island. So today I'm going to provide you with some instruction on how to build it if you'd like to build it yourself. Here are all the supplies. I went to Lowe's and Home Depot because I was shopping around for the best deals, but you could probably get all the supplies from one store if you wanted to. Okay, I just want to show you what I used to make the island. That's Hardwood Reflections Butcher Block Countertops, 50 by 25 by 1.5. I got that at Home Depot for 99 bucks. And we also bought these base cabinets over here from Lowe's. Okay, now with the drawers out, I'm just going to clamp them together. Alright, first I'm going to pre-drill some holes. I'm just going to screw the cabinets together. And these are 3 pieces of 3.5-inch MDF baseboard. That'll be using for the back and the sides. And for the sides, I put a 45-degree angle cut on one side and a straight cut on the other. And for the back piece, I put 2 45 angle cuts. Alright, I'm cutting a rabbet into the baseboard to accept the beadboard. You see we have that groove right there, that'll accept the beadboard, and that'll make up for the height difference between the beadboard and the cabinet. For the back and sides, I bought these panels of beadboard, and they are 48 by 32. Okay, now I gotta cut the side panel of beadboard to width, and you can see I have the butcher block top on the top, and at the bottom I have the baseboard. So now I'm just going to come around here to the back, and I'm just going to mark where I have to cut it on the side. There are my 3 pieces of beadboard that I'll be using. Alright, now I'm just going to put 1 brad nail into each of the baseboards. I want to hold it in place. I want enough wiggle room if I have any issues. Alright, now I just want to dry fit everything to make sure before I start working with some glue that everything fits proper. Alright, now we're going to put some glue on the cabinet. Okay, and I'm also putting some on the beadboard. Alright, put it back in place. Make sure I have it where I want it. Now, I'm improvising with what I have, so I'm just using a dry paint roller to really push the beadboard up against the cabinet. I'm just going to put a couple of brad nails in it. Okay, Okay, I made a little template. Control the knob. I made a template for the drawer pulls and I have it clamped in place, so now I'm just gonna make the holes. And I'm gonna put the kick plate in place. Alright, I'm just going around making sure that the countertop is even with everything. Now I'm using some Minwax tongue oil finish on the countertop. I'm just going to spread it around generously like this. Now with the cloth, I'm just going to spread it in. Okay, I let this first coat sit for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to lightly buff it. I'm just going to run it down this corner molding off. I picked up these wood accents to use as feet. They were a little short, so I just added this little strip of wood at the bottom to bring them up to height. I think that'll look nice in the front. I'm just going to glue these feet on. Here's a final look at the island. It's become a focal point of our kitchen and we're always using it in preparing meals. Now bear in mind you can make it bigger or smaller. It's totally up to you, but it's a fun project to do. Now if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, please subscribe, and happy home improvement.